How to change age in Brawl Stars. So what you want to do first is access your Brawl Star application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you hover around the game settings from here, just heading out to the settings directly, there is no actual button that is saying that you can just easily change your age. So there are two things that you can do. The first thing is go to the three lines at the top right portion of your screen and head over to the Supercell ID, and in here just simply tap on the gear icon. What you can do is to switch or to change your account from a fresh account or a scratch account for you to be able to just logged into the game, and by there you can go ahead and easily change your age. The other thing that you can do is go back to the three lines, head over to the settings and go to help and support. Once you're here, just simply tap the messenger icon at the top right portion of your screen, and you just have to go ahead and choose leave a message. And here you have to be reasonable why you would like to change your age, and if you do have any proofs on your end like photos or screenshots, then you can also include it here. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to change your age in Brawl Stars.